नमस्कार फ्रेंड्स, साथियों प्लीज सब्सक्राइब this channel for professional medical guidance, for spirituality and meditation, for life coaching, for personality development and travelogues. Thank you very much for being a part of my online YouTube family. Thank you very much. So nice of you. Thank you. Thanks for giving your time. Hello and welcome to Lok Talks. This is Dr. Lukesh Bhatia. Dear friends, we'll be talking on new symptoms and do's and don'ts about Corona and COVID-19 situation. Health Department, Public Health Department, Government of India has accepted some more symptoms. Now there are overall 11 symptoms accepted by the government, Minister of Public Health, that if these symptoms are there, then you are having COVID-19 and one should get it tested. The first 4 symptoms which were accepted initially, there are further additions to this. So today we will be discussing on the newer additions too, along with the old symptoms. So what were the old symptoms which were initially accepted? The first was very high grade fever, right? Second was having a dry cough, remember, right? High grade fever, dry cough is the second one. Third one is a sore throat irritation, gale mein kharash, sore throat. Fourth is difficult breathing, right? So high grade fever, sore throat, having difficulty in breathing and dry cough. These were the 4 symptoms accepted initially. And now what are the further additions added by Ministry of Family Welfare? There are around 10-11 more symptoms which have been added in addition to these 4 symptoms, and they are having a sharp shooting pain all over the body, generalized body ache, like in any other viral fever. We are still getting a lot of pains in generalized body ache. Second is constant headache, sharp shooting headache. Constant headache is there and it's a lasting symptom. It lasts for weeks too. Next is trembling from a lot of chills and rigors. So a lot of blankets one might be covering the body with, even then the trembling continues. Next is nausea, vomiting and stomach upset. These GI symptoms have been accepted very recently after a lot of research. These are the newer symptoms which have come up, which has been accepted by Ministry of Public Health. So it is very important for all of us to understand, to know yourself, and these symptoms are there, you must report it to a declared COVID center in your place, wherever you are. Next comes is loss of smell and taste. Yes, if only this symptom is there, loss of smell and taste. If you have lost the taste, you have lost the smell, it is definitely a milder form. No other symptoms are present. It is definitely a milder form of COVID-19. You are definitely going to get better. Your immune system is fighting well with it. So, what measures? Let's coming on to what measures. The same video I had done very recently. The last publication of my video was in this Hindi. This is I'm making it in English for all those people who are from other than, I have 40% viewers from outside India too. So I'm making it in English this time to make everybody understand what are the newer developments, newer symptoms, and newer developments in the terms of preventing also. So next important thing is about mask. Mask, one has to continue wearing it. Mask, two important points I want to make it very clear. Must have seen many people wearing this kind of mask, having this kind of respirator, and this is called N95 mask. Dear friends, you are not supposed to use this kind of mask, although this fits well because of this kind of one. This is the one. But let me tell you something very, very important thing about this. The government of India recently has cleared very clear guidelines, stated very clear guidelines that using this kind of N95 respirator mask is not at all good. Somehow, because of its very high cost, it's a human psychology, or you can say a kind of a status symbol, that the costlier thing is better or the best one available in the market. It's not stands true for this case, my dear friends. There are three kinds of masks. This one is not for you. This one is good enough, and the standard home mask like this one is plain simple surgical mask. All right. That's it. This mask is standard recommendation by the government, and all the governments are recommending for this mask only. Please do not buy this kind of N95 mask. It is not of any help. It is specifically for doctors who are constantly working only in hospitals and in that environment only. The respirator mask is not for general public. So don't pay so heavy a cost. This is like 200, 300 rupees, and this is only 10 rupees, right? And in my next video, can also cover up. You can wash these. The standard cloth mask, you can use that. The standard recommendation is to use this kind of 3-layered mask. Homemade cloth mask is also acceptable, but do not use this kind of respirator mask. N95 is not for general public. Do not land up spending 200, 300, 500 useless expenditure. Please don't go for this, right? So this was very important point which has come up by the recent studies, that a lot of people are going for this kind of expensive mask, which is not at all recommended and not at all required. Rather, the breathing, the expiration, what might be happening, that might be contaminating further. So using this mask is more dangerous. So please do not make use of this. This one is better. Even your homemade hand triple layered cloth mask is also enough. Right. So coming to what are the new precautions recommended. Anybody whomsoever you are meeting, only just greeting in Indian manner, namaste, is enough. No need of handshaking anymore. Social distancing. Social distancing is very important. Minimum 3 feet to 6 feet distance ideally is required with anybody, everybody, wherever you are going, in any public places. If you find it is too much crowded, please do not enter any crowded areas. I can show you, there are many videos which are coming up from hospital setups. People are still not realizing the facts. Any crowded area, you are exposing yourself to COVID-19 situation. Please, taking care of yourself is your responsibility. Do not increase your suffering more further. We are already in community spread situation. We must take care, take the best of the precautions. Having all the knowledge of all these things, need to apply each of these precautions right in time, and application of knowledge right in time, taking care of your health is only way out. Do not touch your eyes or ears with hand into the mouth, all right? And eventually if you have to do it, then wash your hands with sanitizer, wash your hands with soap. 20 seconds, the standard way which has been taught in last 6 months very immensely. It has been advertised how to do that. Most important thing is avoid addictions, come out of the addictions with tobacco, smoking, alcohol. This is the best time. You must come out of it. Strengthen yourself mentally. Decide and be determined. It should come from within. Outer world, everybody has been telling you on the cigarette packets also it is written smoking is injurious to health. If that would have really helped you out, there was no need to tell at this moment in that case. So all those people who are still addicted, they must be determined now onwards. Because of this, you are likely to land up in a very high risk situation in COVID-19, and the percentage of people dying leaving this planet is very high for those who are addicted to any of this, to tobacco, chewing or smoking or even alcoholic drinks. So please come out of this habit. Try your best to give up. There cannot be any better time to give up. Clean any of the places which are frequently being touched with sanitizers, right? Any of the grips in the public places to be avoided. Do not spit in any public places, right? Download Arogya Setu app and keep it activated every time, right? Those who got eventually infected with COVID-19, please do not discriminate with them. Have empathy with them. Having empathy with everyone, you are bound to not only take care of yourself, you should be taking care of yourself for the sake of others too, right? So it is very important. So be empathetic to everybody. Do not discriminate with anyone who eventually gets COVID-19. You have to behave the same, give the same behavior to others what you will expect eventually if you get infected with it. All right? So love, compassion, empathy is must for everybody, anybody on this planet, right? So in case if you want any further information or you want to connect to the authorities, you must contact the central government number, that is central government helpline number, that is 1075, or your state helpline numbers, which has been published in different medias. And anybody who is found to have kind of mental distress, if he is scared, overthinking, it can happen because right and left we are getting negative news. So it is very much important to identify those people who are getting mentally disturbed. So identify those people, take them to counselors, take them to life coach people, take them to psychiatrists, psychological counseling. Many things can be done for them, right? So my dear friends, here I come to the end of this video. Hope you liked all the informations, and do take care of yourself. Thank you very much. Love you all. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hit the like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon after subscribing my channel. Thank you very much.